laptop that can hold all of the things I'm gonna use, like I need to use this laptop for most of the things, so I need to, check before I do. Okay, this is a slim one. It is foldable. Oh, really? Actually, I don't want a foldable one, so I'm not gonna take off that. The Dell, I don't know. Okay, let me just scroll down. Oh, this is fully scrollable. I mean, foldable. This looks good. Oh, this one looks good too. Why does it have a smiley face over there? I don't know. How about this one? This one looks good. This one looks good, guys. This one looks good. And it only has one stock left. Guys, I'm gonna get this. I'm getting this. Look how it looks like. It's so beautiful. I'm getting this, guys. Add to cart. Cart. Guys, this is what I want. Let's proceed to checkout. Oh, nice. Looks like we need to do a video about this. I'm gonna get ready. Oof. Great. Let's take this to my video area. So guys, this is what we got. And you guys saw the story, and hopefully your curiosity is gone, but you have to be curious for the next steps, okay? So this is what I have. Okay, so let's see. See if I have something about this. Okay, if I see the front, you'll be seeing Asus. If you're wondering, it's a laptop brand. Inside, okay, yeah, inside. So we're gonna open this, and I have gotten a new laptop, so this is what. And because of the lockdown, I know it's kind of, about the world outside, so I'm not going to be touching my face after I shoot this. So after I open, I'm going to be washing my hands, then I'm going to do whatever I need to do on my face. So, yeah. So first, what I want to do is open this up, because that's what you need to do for unboxing it. Wow. I'm excited. I'm too excited because this box doesn't fold. Okay. So there are like 4 sections you need to look at. First, I think I'll remove this. Menu, of course. It's just okay. The charger. Wait, what? How do you... What? Where's that thing that you put into the plug? Guys, what is going on? Wait. Huh? Oh, you plug it in like this, and then you charge it like that. So, I got confused. I was like, we're not going to have a plug, then how am I going to fit it? Because in my country, we do need a plug for charging stuff. So, I'm super excited, guys. I don't want to review the laptop because I'm too excited. So, first I'm going to be opening this guy. I know it's kind of weird just starting with the charger. Ooh, zigzags. Okay, guys. So, if you want to have this laptop, I'll put the link in the how do you put? Oh, got it. Okay. 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 Get this good old stuff out. This, I guess you gotta put it like that. How? Oh, got it in. Guys, got it in. Can't put it. How do you? Oh, I was doing the other side. That was weird. Doesn't go in fully. Okay. Oh, I put it the wrong way. Oh, God. Can I just pull it out? Oh, I got it out. I'm gonna put this carefully now, this time. I put it carefully. Yes! Got it in! Yay! Okay, that's good. Charger is done. Now, menu. Wait, no menu. That's one? Or menu. Menu. Oh, laptop. I'm so excited. Let's see which color is the laptop. Okay. Woo. Woof. Okay. Woof woof. Okay. Are you ready, guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's rose gold. It's rose gold. Wait. It's rose gold, guys. It's pretty. Look. Let's go. Woof woof. Okay. The menu is just 2 pages. Right? The menu is just 2 pages. There's no other menu. There's no other menu. Wow. It's just 2 pages. Okay, let's see. Charge your notebook PC. Charge your notebook PC for 3 hours when using it for the first time. Use only the bundle power adapter for charging. 3 hours means 5:30 because I'm recording at 3:45. So 5:30. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 6:40. 6:40. 5:45. I don't know. I'm not good at math. Okay. Get out. Don't get my bathroom dirty. Okay. Looks like there's some kind of thing to make the keyboard and screen safe. So guys, let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, the keyboard is also, oh my god guys, this is awesome. Okay. Okay. It's not really bad, okay? Yeah, it's not really bad, you know? to do this with my hands. Okay, where do I charge this? One over there, and one over there, and one over there. One over there. Which one? I'm going to my room, okay? Room. Okay. Safe and sound. Safe and sound. Safe and sound. Oopsie. Put it the wrong way. Safe and sound, okay? Safe and sound. Put it. Safe and sound. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Yay! We got it closed. Okay, let's just. I'm gonna close that. So next. Oh my god, this is like the good old lift to open the display panel. Of course, everyone knows you need to lift it to see the display panel. Press the power. This is the power. I closed it. Should it open? No. I'm not gonna be opening it. That could be a hard time closing it back. Let's go to my room, guys. The laptop matches my chair, and I'm gonna be charging this. So I need to go to the charger area, way over here, and my piano is charged. So I need to remove my piano cable and then switch to this. I just realized that the cable is all the way over there. So I need to put my chair here because I don't want to break this the first attempt. So let's clip it in. Oh, I can't do it. Is it on? Seems like it's all the way through. Okay, gonna wait for 3 hours and then come back. Guys, it's kind of like it's like a 2.5 hours right now. So I feel like we can open this. Doing this with one hand, guys. Oh my god. Oh, what's this? Continue and select language. Which language should I do, guys? Probably English. That's the, oh my god. So nice. Okay, probably English. Okay, yes, of course English. I can't do Arabic and then I won't understand anything. Like, English is probably good. English is the best thing you can do. What?
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
How can I...
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Okay, thanks.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Okay.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, stop. I want you to be silent. Silent? Please, silent. I just got a little bit of time there because this is the next thing. And the camera just got off. That's why you see a little bit of difference in the video. So this is the things. Let's start with the region. Is this right? So they are choosing the United States. And I am gonna be doing all the personal stuff away. I'm not gonna be doing this myself. I'm just gonna ask one of my parents to do it, and I will come back when all the privacy kind of questions are done. So yeah, all the privacy stuff. Now it's showing this might take several minutes. So why did I start this? Okay. So looks like this is gonna take a little minutes. So that time, let's see about the quality. The keyboard, it's not really bad because it's like actually really soft and smooth. The mouse part is really soft, like really soft. Keys are not bad, like yeah, not bad. All the keys are, I've seen these keys before. The only thing that I've never seen before is pause break. So I don't want to press that until I know what that is. I'm gonna be searching about it, then I'll try to use it if I know what it's. Leave everything to us? Why? Wait, what's happening? Leave everything to us. What do I do? Oh, this is not touch screen. So what do I do now? What do I do? Oh my god, what do I do? Looks weird. Kind of. Oh, almost there. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Okay. It started. Wait, what? So guys, that's all for this video. And if you want the same laptop, the link is in the description. And yeah, that's all. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.